Look very closely at the dusty space directly under your television right now. You probably have a massive expensive plastic box sitting right there. You paid hundreds of dollars for a traditional gaming console just to play games. You also probably have a smart speaker nearby that takes 10 frustrating seconds just to answer a simple question. We have all accepted this messy and complicated reality for decades. We bought the big consoles and proudly displayed them. We bought the glowing smart speakers and put them on our counters. We let our living rooms become a tangled web of expensive wires and slow devices. But a massive digital earthquake is shaking the entire tech industry today. The living room wars have just completely changed forever. Apple has been secretly building the ultimate Trojan horse right under our noses. They are finally getting ready to release it to the world. The highly anticipated 2026 Apple TV is finally stepping out of the shadows. This is no longer just a harmless little streaming box. In the past, you used this tiny device only to watch YouTube or stream a movie. It was simple and it was basic. But Apple is aggressively transforming it into something entirely different. They are turning it into a high-end gaming console. They are building it into a brilliant smart home brain. They are making it a supercomputer. And all of this incredible power is rolled into one tiny device. The absolute heart of this massive revolution is the heavily rumored A19 microchip. This is not just a regular processor. This is the exact same cutting-edge silicon that powers the most expensive smartphones on the planet. Apple is taking their absolute best technology and hiding it in plain sight. By putting this incredibly powerful brain inside a simple television box, Apple is completely rewriting the rules of home entertainment. They are telling the world that big power no longer requires a big box. For a very long time, serious gamers just laughed at Apple. They looked at MacBooks and iPads and smiled. They deeply believed that premium video games strictly required giant cooling fans. They thought you absolutely needed massive power supplies to get good graphics. They spent thousands of dollars on huge PC towers with glowing lights. But the A19 chip changes that old narrative forever. It completely destroys the myth of the giant gaming box. This new chip is bringing hardware-accelerated ray tracing straight to your living room. It changes how light works in a digital world. This means the lighting in your games will look absolutely real. The deep shadows will behave exactly like they do in the real world. The realistic water reflections in your video games will look absolutely breathtaking. You will see every detail. You will feel totally immersed in the world. It is the exact same visual magic that used to strictly require a huge, expensive computer tower. Now it fits perfectly inside a tiny black box. This box is so small that it is practically invisible under your television. Some wild industry leaks even suggest this new Apple TV will fully support 8K video output. Most people do not even own an 8K television yet. But Apple is clearly looking far into the future. They want you to buy this little box today and keep it connected to your television for the next 10 straight years. Now, let me gently correct a massive internet misconception and ground this hype in actual reality. Is this tiny streaming device going to instantly destroy the competitive esports scene? Absolutely not. Physics still deeply matter in our universe. If you're a hardcore professional gamer who demands massive frame rates for fast-paced shooting games, you will always need a giant PC. You will still need those massive cooling fans to keep the system running at maximum speed. But 90% of normal, everyday people do not need a loud jet engine in their living room just to have fun. Most people just want to sit on the couch and play a beautiful game after work. The real danger for gaming giants like Sony and Microsoft is Apple's unbelievable chip efficiency. Apple knows how to make their custom silicon insanely fast while using very little electricity. This efficiency is a massive game changer. You can easily play massive, beautiful open-world games on your giant television. You can explore giant digital cities, and the Apple TV will remain completely silent the entire time. There are absolutely no loud fans spinning up. There is no dangerous overheating melting the plastic. You simply get premium console quality graphics in total peace and quiet. But the massive gaming performance is actually just a brilliant distraction. It is the shiny object that gets your attention. The real master plan involves advanced artificial intelligence. Right now, most smart home gadgets are actually incredibly slow and deeply frustrating. When you ask a normal smart speaker to turn off the kitchen lights, your private voice recording physically leaves your house. It travels hundreds of miles away to a random cloud server. A giant computer processes your voice, and then the signal travels all the way back to your house just to turn off a light bulb. This massive journey creates a very frustrating delay. It also raises serious privacy concerns. Do you really want every word you say sent to a random server? The new A19 Apple TV completely fixes this massive flaw. It has so much raw local brain power that it processes your voice commands instantly. It literally thinks for itself right inside your house. Your voice data never leaves your living room. Imagine coming home from a highly stressful day at work. You walk through the front door, and your television instantly knows exactly who you are. It perfectly dims the room lights to your favorite level. It immediately adjusts the temperature. It seamlessly suggests a great movie based on your exact current mood. It quickly becomes the highly secure and lightning-fast central nervous system for your entire modern home. The absolute biggest threat to the traditional gaming industry is not just the hardware. The real danger is the massive trap of the Apple ecosystem. Sony makes a truly great gaming machine, but Sony absolutely does not own your daily digital life. Apple completely does. Billions of people already carry a shiny iPhone in their pocket every single day. You are already tightly locked deep inside their beautiful digital world. Imagine you are riding the bus home from school. You are playing a stunning, graphically intense game on your phone. When you finally walk into your house, you do not have to stop playing. You just sit down on the couch and pick up a wireless controller. That exact same game instantly appears on your giant television right where you left off. The graphics instantly upgrade from a small mobile screen to gorgeous console quality. There are no frustrating file transfers to wait for. There are no extra confusing accounts to create. Apple's iCloud flawlessly handles every single detail silently in the background. It is a level of pure daily convenience that standard gaming consoles simply cannot ever match. And then we finally reach the absolute brutal kill shot. The pricing strategy for this new device could be completely ruthless. Industry insiders are heavily reporting that Apple is actively targeting an extremely aggressive starting price of just $99. If they truly hit that magical number, the tech game is completely over for the casual market. Why would any normal parent ever spend $500 on a single bulky console for the family room? You could easily put a highly powerful Apple TV in the living room, the kitchen, and every single bedroom for the exact same price. Apple absolutely does not care about making a massive profit on a tiny plastic box. They make billions of dollars every single month from digital subscriptions. They want you totally hooked on Apple Arcade and Apple TV Plus by making the physical hardware incredibly cheap. They easily plant a brilliant digital Trojan horse safely inside millions of homes. Once the box is plugged into your TV, you're completely in their world. Apple is also actively mapping out the entire next decade of modern spatial computing. They completely know that flat television screens are just the beginning of the journey. This powerful new Apple TV is perfectly designed to be the ultimate wireless anchor for the highly advanced Vision Pro headset. It can easily handle massive processing tasks in the background to help the headset. This teamwork will deliver mind-blowing augmented reality experiences right in your living room. You will see digital objects mixing with your real furniture. And the Apple TV will be the silent engine powering it all. In my honest opinion, this new product is going to be unstoppable. I look closely at the strategic facts, and this new Apple TV is an absolute masterpiece of market disruption. It is taking the best of high-end mobile silicon and weaponizing it against the traditional living room setup. It will not magically replace a massive computer for the hardcore professional esports enthusiast. It is important to keep our expectations grounded in reality. However, it completely obliterates the need for a traditional casual console for the average family. It easily provides unmatched smart home integration that strictly protects your privacy. It offers totally silent operation. It delivers a pure daily ecosystem convenience that nobody else in the industry can touch right now. Apple is changing everything we know about our living rooms, and this little black box is just the beginning of a massive new era. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.